Hey folks, welcome back to this channel or page Count and Cook. This is Satvik Sridhar Suvarna and today's recipe is one of the highly requested recipes of this channel or page, and it's nothing but Batate Batani Gassi. This is a rich coconut gravy with potatoes and green peas. Please subscribe to this channel and also like our Facebook page. Before I get started, let me run through the ingredients. Half kilo or 5 potatoes with their skin peeled off, 150 grams of dried green peas which was soaking overnight in water, half for the tempering, half for the masala, 1 tablespoon of curry leaves, 15 to 20 cloves of garlic for the masala, half for the tempering, half for the masala, 2 onions finely chopped, 1 tomato finely chopped. To be added at the end stages of the cooking is cilantro quarter bunch, half for the masala, half for the tempering, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, about 10 Byadgi red chilies. Coming to the powder spices, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is optional, half teaspoon of homemade garam masala powder. 3/4 coconut shredded. Salt as per taste. Approximately 60 grams of coconut oil. Let's roast the spices now. For that, heat up a wok like this. When the wok heats up, in goes some coconut oil. When the oil heats up, in goes some Byadgi red chilies and saute. Now some fenugreek seeds. Half of the mustard seeds goes now, remaining half would be needed later for tempering. Now goes black peppercorns. Half of the curry leaves goes now, remaining half would be needed later for the tempering. Now goes some coriander seeds. Here goes some cumin seeds and continue sauteing. All of the garlic goes now. You could reserve some of it for the tempering. Now half of the onions goes now, remaining half is reserved for the tempering. Now goes shredded coconut and continue sauteing until the coconut turns light brown. Now goes little bit of homemade garam masala powder and mix well, and when the coconut has turned light brown and the mixture is dry, turn off the stove and allow the spices to cool down completely. Now when the spices have cooled down completely, take a blender jar like this and transfer the roasted spices into it. By using as much water as required for grinding, blend into a smooth paste like this. For making Batate Batani Gassi, heat up a pressure cooker like this. When the pressure cooker heats up, in goes some coconut oil. When the oil heats up, in goes half of the mustard seeds that we had retained. When the mustard seeds crackle, in goes half of the curry leaves too. Now goes half of the retained chopped onions. To speed up the cooking of onions, in goes some salt and saute. Now when the onions have become translucent, in goes turmeric powder. Now goes chopped tomatoes and saute until they become soft. Now when the tomatoes have become soft, in goes dried green peas. These green peas were soaking in water overnight. Since green peas take longer time to cook than potatoes, stir for a couple of minutes before adding potatoes. After a couple of minutes, in goes potatoes, which are cut into medium-sized cubes. Instead of pre-cooking the vegetables and adding masala later, we are adding masala right now so that once the vegetables are pressure cooked, they would have absorbed the masala very well. Now goes salt as per taste. Mix well. Add rinsed water from the same jar masala was previously ground in and mix well. Now with lid on, pressure cook for 2 whistles, not more than that. After 2 whistles and after letting the steam to escape by itself, the vegetables would be properly cooked by now and would have absorbed the masala very well. Now goes chopped cilantro, and make sure you don't overcook the vegetables. Mix well. Once the cilantro is mixed well with the vegetables, you can check for the taste, and if required you can add in some salt, but our salt is proper. We can turn off the stove now. Hey, Batate Batani Gassi or Aloo Matar South Indian style is ready. Do try this recipe out at home and let us know how it turned out. The calorie density of this awesome recipe is 115 kilocalories per 100 grams. The bowl that you see on screen has about 524 kilocalories. For more such interesting recipes like this, subscribe to this channel Count and Cook. While subscribing, press the bell notification icon and set it to all. Please like and follow our Count and Cook Facebook page too. Until then, ciao.